Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to modulate multiple parameters on your MOOER GE300 with the expression pedal. Now the way that we do this is using the merge function of the expression pedal. It has a few different functions and I'm not going to go into those, just going to show you how to modulate, say, the gain on an amp as well as the volume to lower it, and maybe some tone controls and some reverb, and change the mix and the length of the reverb. So some parameters are going to be increasing in value when I push this pedal, and some are going to be decreasing in value. So firstly, I need a guitar and headphones. Okay, let's get on with it. So got myself a nice tone that I've already built, and if you want to work out how to do this and get a tone like this as well, I've done a demo in creating an edge of breakup tone. Now we're going to modify that tone. So first thing you want to do is turn on your pedal by pressing the toe end down. And when I refer to toe end, I mean pushing the pedal all the way forward. When I refer to heel, I mean pushing the pedal back. So first thing is clicking on expression pedal, and we want to edit expression pedal 1, and we want to go to merge. If you haven't already, you should calibrate your pedal. And in here it says active expression pedal and set the heel down position. I think they mean activate, but let's push that down. Next, highlight and adjust the desired parameter. And when I first did this, I was like, well, what parameter? There's nothing there. But first we need to press on this and go to, say, our amp. So firstly, the heel down position is this. Let's say I want that at 8, so it's quite clean. And I'm happy with how it sounds right now. Now I'm going to put the toe down position of the pedal and modulate a parameter. Well, sorry, not modulate it, but rotate the knob of a parameter, and you're going to see a blue line come up beside it. So say I want to go to a bit of a crunch sound. Now, the problem with this is, once I've raised the gain, I actually need to lower the master because it is otherwise going to be too loud. So for each one I have to start in heel position. So I'm happy with that. I modulated that, and now I'm going to set the toe position. So when I change the gain, it's not going to have as much impact on the overall volume of the patch. So now I don't think I want as much reverb while I'm pushing the distortion, so I'm going to change the mix here. So I'll move this now, and that's its position set. See, I've got this in heel position to set my original spot that I want it. Now I thought it was probably a bit much right now. And then I set my toe position and I go right down. And I also want to change my decay time. So next thing, put the heel down, find the position of the find the position of the decay that I originally want, then toe down and find the position that I want to move it to. Sounds pretty good. So now this is very good for if you want to add some distortion by not using an OD pedal or a distortion pedal, and you have a distorted type of amp, so you can modulate the parameter. And if I am just wanting, like, this is a clean tone, if I want an edge of breakup tone, I can start pushing this pedal until I get a bit of hair on my tone. And if I play that at the same power, I barely get any hair on the tone. So hopefully that was a good help for you, and hopefully you can use that to your advantage. It's a good trick for if you're playing live and you want to use that same amp tone and you don't want to add in any overdrive or distortion, because in my previous videos I've expressed how I dislike the fizz that these pedals put onto your sound. Now, the next thing that I would love MOOER to add, and hopefully they do, is the ability to do a merge function with the control pedals, so that you can have the drive of an amp in one position and you click it and it will raise that drive and it will lower the overall volume, so you can match out and balance your sound so it doesn't suddenly come out as a really chunky loud sound and destroy the whole mix of the band. Anyway, thanks for watching. Next I would like to throw in some videos on how I create a fuzz tone for high sustain sounds and how I do distorted sounds, and these are not my speciality, but I've had other people asking for that, and I would like to oblige and help them to create a nice distorted tone for a different style of music, and maybe even something like a Metallica tone, one of those mid-scoop tones. So stay tuned. Please like, subscribe if you like the content that I'm creating, and hopefully I can improve my videos over time, put more time and effort into this as the channel grows. So please like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and look forward to seeing you next video.